how to use AI photo tools to create thumbnails for YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can use AI photo tools to create thumbnail for your YouTube. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right into it. So there are a lot of different AI photo tools available on the web. So you can use whichever you want. If you don't know what to use, you can always search for AI photo tools on your web browser. And there you'll find a lot of different options. So you can choose anyone. I will be using Canva for this. If you want, you can even use ChatGPT. So after you're here, you can then upload an image from your uh, video, that is your YouTube video, to make it look more, about the video itself. So here you can locate an image and then drop it. After you drop your image, you can then let Canva do its thing. And after it loads and does its thing, you can then wait. So after you uploaded your image, you can tap on Ask Canva. And what you can do is ask it to add stuff like this, then tap on Submit Comment. And then Canva will start doing its thing. So there you can see it's starting to finalize its editing. So there you can see it gives me an image to try. I can add it to the design. So I can just place it right above this or remove the previous photo. And there you can see the photo is also enhanced. And yeah, this is basically how you can do it. Now you can start adding your text and everything here and then upload the image. So yeah, it's really easy. You can use another website called Deep AI to do the same thing. And yeah, there are a lot of different AI photo editors available for your photo thumbnail editor. And after you've done your thing on Canva, you can tap on the download button right here and then download this image. And then you can use it for your thumbnail. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.